Hello, welcome to another wonderful question. So let's say we have somebody here that is part of the curious ones. You want to know when exactly this video was made. Like this video obviously was made today that I am talking to you now. That's when it was made. And today is the 3rd of February 2026. So that's when this video was made. So you can ask yourself, when are you watching this video now? What day is it for you today? Yeah, maybe you put that in the comment section and then we'll know how long ago it took for it to get to you. But anyway, we're solving balancing chemical equations here, and this is B2Br6 plus HNO3 to give BNO3, three of that, and then HBr. So if I want to balance this equation, I would see first, I usually tell you guys, start with the complex things. So you see the NO3 there, three of it, right? So that should be the first thing you should look at. Is the complex thing that's there, so you start with that. Three of it, right? So I'm going to put 3 here to take care of the whole NO3 area. Now that 3 that I've put here has made my hydrogen 3, so I think I'll just come here and drop a 3 there, so that at least the hydrogen will be satisfied, right? Now that 3 I've dropped here has made the bromine 3, so I'll come here and I am seeing bromine as 6. This is actually funny. Okay, fine. If I should put a half here, would that help my bromine to be 3? Yeah. And it will also help the boron to be 1. Oh, this is genius. Wow. Even I didn't know that I could do it this way, right? Yeah, so that could work. Let's multiply through by 2 to make it look nice. Yeah, at least the nitrate part is fine. Our hydrogen is balanced, the bromine is balanced, and the boron is balanced. So definitely this should be right. Multiply through by 2, sorry, not 3. And there you have it, B2Br6 plus 6HNO3 to give 2BNO33 plus 6HBr. Yes, so once again you can check it now. B is 2 on the left, 2 on the right. Br is 6 on the left, 6 on the right. H is 6 on the left, 6 on the right. The nitrogen is 6 on the left, 6 on the right. Oxygen is 6 times 3, 18. And 2 times 3 times 3, that's 2 times 9, 18. All balanced, all good. Subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube and like this video. Remember, I want to know what date it is today on your end. Alright, I'll see you on the next question. Bye.